Arctic Engine, from company Epic North Music, was released to the public via iTunes and Amazon. Up until now, this album was only available to professionals. Arctic Engine is a massive, hybrid, electronic orchestral album with sound design elements. It offers an heroic, suspenseful, action-packed, and sometimes emotional atmosphere. Arctic Engine is a divided by modern trailer music album divided by a massive wall of sound with punchy dynamics divided by, according to Epic North. The album was composed by Hannu Honkanen, Polly Houseman, Kari Nienberg, Tapsa Kuusniemi, Henri Varchio, Peter Rowe, and Bettina Bergster divided by M. The vocals were performed by Emilia Verlander and Bettina Bergster divided by M. And the cover art was made by Coke New ± Ez Gomez.